In this video, we will learn to download bibliographic output styles from EndNote official website. EndNote offers more than 6,000 bibliographic output styles. If required style is not available in EndNote, it can be downloaded from the EndNote website. Website address or URL of EndNote Styles download page. How to access EndNote website's Styles download page. In EndNote menu bar, click Edit. In the Edit sub-menu, click Output Styles. In the Output Style sub-menu, click Open Style Manager. Style Manager window opens. Now click Get More on the web to go to Styles download web page. You can also just type the URL in web browser to access Styles downloads page. Downloading and adding all styles into EndNote. On Styles download page, click on Download All Styles button. Styles will be downloaded. Unzip or extract styles files to a folder. Copy all styles files from the extracted folder. Paste styles files into EndNote Styles folder in the installed location, usually in C drive. Downloading and adding individual style or styles into EndNote. On Download web page, use the Style Finder to search for a style name, citation style, or publisher name. In the results grid, click Download button of required style. Open the downloaded style file. It will automatically be opened in EndNote. Any additional changes can be made in Style Edit window. To save the style in EndNote, click File menu, and click Save As in the sub-menu. Provide suitable style name and click Save. Ensuring addition of styles in EndNote. All styled in EndNote can be found in Style Manager. To open Style Manager, click Edit in menu bar. Click Output Styles. Click Open Style Manager. Style Manager window will pop up. Right-click in Style Manager window. In the contextual menu click Find. Find your newly added style.